Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about strength training, or another name for this is progressive resistance training, which I'll explain in a little while and it will become clear as we go along. The main rule when performing all exercises is that you do it with good form. Safety and injury prevention is the most important thing. So even when you're taking an exercise to failure, this means that you're doing as many repetitions as you can with good form. Muscles require rest in order to recuperate and get stronger. The strength exercises that we are performing should be done every second day rather than on consecutive days. You can, however, train every day as long as you are training different muscle groups on the different days. For instance, half the body one day, half the body the other day. If you are performing body weight exercises using your own body weight as the resistance, then one set of as many repetitions as you can do is okay, is enough. If you are using barbells, dumbbells, or weights, even machines, then aim for 3 to 4 sets of the exercise. The first set must be a very light weight as a warm-up, and then add weight with each successive set until the last set is the heaviest and most challenging, and done to failure. As many repetitions as possible with good form. Our target repetition number is 12. The last set of an exercise should be as many repetitions as possible with good form, and if this is less than 12 repetitions, then you would use the same weight the next time you did this exercise. But once you can do 12 repetitions, or even more than that, then you know that that's in the final set, then you know the next time you do the same exercise, you increase the weight used for each set. This really is progressive resistance in a nutshell.